You be anyame imbanye gbeku nya work be ashin bi ni work ba asani. Ona no ni in previous video ni kewa ke won bon we money ake gan ba ko e mama ni iba mu ashin. E abalaka wonu pa etation. Kenye fenye ke mikpa gbe alo nye team na kuma nye na ko wo Minister of Education e train wa ni social media ko wa na ke e balake ake AI ba wo ni chomo mi schools mi ni ewi ake eche AI na pa fi ni akemini inly I stand to be corrected o fa ni menya ko mi nye ha mole ke ekole miniga ni blofo ni inu ojugba ma reading nyekwe ake eke tacholete the education minister stated that there's an unrolling out AI to in Chi Ewe Dagbani and Auza. Now I'm about my read no kofia okay. Yesterday I had a fulfilled engagement with the vice president of Google and an ongoing generic AI summit in the United Kingdom where ideas were shared to improve quality education in Ghana and Africa as a whole. In July 2005, Google announced an amount of $37 million investment in AI research and digital skills development across Africa, including the launch of a new AI community center in Accra. This form part of what Google's broader $1 million US dollars commitment to Africa digital transformation and read Baba Oketin. And BNN noni in concern your wow. Google is working closely with the University of Ghana and GDI Hub to advance speech recognition and AI tool for Ghanaian language include of an ebomicho juba. Kablo for enemy no juba nye chomishi. Including Chi, Ewe, and Dagbani, with a strong focus on non-standard speech. Whatever statement in my mind. If you're 10, come on, I'm Kenya, there's an agenda. Come on, I personally pay the analysis can be there's an agenda to wipe Uyghurs. Come on, Abu Kafini Akewa ni Ghanaian or ni Bonmeji. The capital city is in our region. What car by force Akaba will be. So why is that car feeling asmona jewemi? Asmona be asmoni wakana? The piece of the cake of the national whatever. Take your cho le minister HH Dagbani Ewe language here ake manko ni le minister jeme office yo ni dia Greater Accra jeme no fiano yo the hotel feel to wa kemi akoyin pa Gan language no ko afitai. So that means ka feel like any speech recognition be Gan afitai kemi Kenya ke ni it look like Charlie akpan wo he ake no fiano wa fi wo Gama wa jiwe no lo ni gbana ni ya no ne alo ni minister honorable minister Arena Idisu Egwie. I wish I could no ekole Ghana Traditional Council alo ga onupa no afi press conference I send message like papa mini oyin kai alo mini oken won fe no ko Ghana na e bale language say as money mo fi am ana share me she as mona ji wo game no komo obaka issue na ni iyawo kebane komo money ji the head of tourism I gbenyoni although enoga wa kron e daiga no she ona can a balake a promote a language a promote tree a promote English nagbeneke every fitahe ni ji gaemi. So the question I'm asking now is the same thing. You can attest that this similar thing, just like education minister feel alo nyeke me pa gbe ke mi ne kole injomo mi ni ngbe mi alo kole ta flache maka ke injomo mi egbe ona alo injomo mbe fa wo I stand to be corrected. Ufa nya umalia because noni ya no na chale mi na no question yi ke wo kwe na hi the next generation that is coming will fail them because what men ke wo na shishi ke wo na council am mo wi mo na mi na ba hye wo no ni mena won wo yo e wo kanya wonye wo mommy ni wo bomo dia ke mena ni late ni computer ba ni technology te here AI ba na afi no kuno push o next generation ne ambaba shawo ambaba shawo wa ake mini wo fe won wo mogami mena komo aye blofo ye fe kenu ko ba ni national na ba fi aji oga me ake ga me fitai komo dane mi yu ake onake staflash wo nu pe ko menu wo yo they don't have a pure mind because komo kemi Minister Jimmy, Minister of Tourism, hello in Yegbena. Definitely our few programs. Our programs and few. We don't have only one culture in Ghana. Our kengmen in Ekule guest in Bagana. Mene hanabaju adowa. What in hanabaju kete. Bekonklo hani abaju tatlete. Aigbe maju. Bekonklo hani many nodness ne na atumoni ahie leke ni ne na fish kushku abatumo. Then the people will see that we don't have one language, although we don't have one tribe in Ghana, or we don't have one culture. But come on, at the event na fake cultural dance. Bolenje, boli no na feel. Come on, touch Jerry. May his soul rest in peace. What President Jerry John Rawlings Negbo. I was expecting that the cultural display na fear there would have been at least I be my side because wole mo family aka Jerry on I be no wole na you I be wole aka fi fanja I be e woni mo egbo ni afi cultural display ni game fe nkwe mi no ha ni me abajo I be ko na ka ke o ni yala na afi e ga shipon no wo ga me won aba fi am no ko ni eyes beat the other ones but yet still can you hear if I fit mo me fi no kucho hello me I'm being tribal, but that is not it. Now I want here Jomokome. Ona ke oye BP o for BP ona ona yinto ke Jomokome ke ha me fe. Yera don nge yu mo ba wa bi e. Be konkule ma ba. O fa na no le hamale comment section e. Oh no. Because noni ya no. Charlie, noni ya no. Me injomo me I don't really understand it though, because if you me ake game ahie Jomo papa ke hie wo se e wo nyelenche ni ba nye akwa by this time asani onupa a press conference towards this minister a kele mistake ake because come on wo fe wo le ake Ghana nen wo yo ne ko che languages the most known languages ga chi eve then obaka ke dagbani fanti one of the most common ones. They will call check at least these 5 ones and then they say the rest. But watch a tree, watch ever because Bogbomo no you or Ochebo you mo Dagbani alo Nyejeme North Bia you mo Bebabaho Oche Dagbani. It represents the North. Keke Gan wo yo niji oti niji icho niji capital kakoshin wo you mo. Charlie Sane Emina. But to afite isaka won ka wo yumu afita nyera don ngbeji ni ayi eke ganubi o laba wo Charlie wo ba pe kun on